Welcome guys to this channel. Today's topic, I did purchase my first lawnmower and I'll take you guys through the steps what I did. Gas powered lawnmowers and electric lawnmowers. Since I am in South Africa, we don't have battery operated really. It's not a thing here, so it's either petrol or just normal 220 volt AC corded lawnmowers. So I did my research between that two. The maintenance on a gas powered one is really hectic. I mean, it's oil, spark plugs, even quick start in winters, which is a lot of hassle stuff. So I'm not interested in a lot of maintenance. The electric one is just plug and play. It's just plug in and it goes. No problems with starting up, maintenance, taking it to someone to get it fixed or whatever. It's not really necessary. So I did decide on a normal corded 220 volt electric powered motor. Next up is brands and prices and quality. There is a lot of brands in South Africa. I did decide to go with Ryobi. Reasons being, there's a lot of spares available. The guarantee on it is 2 years, I believe. And if I want to swap out a blade, I go to a local DIY store and choose a new blade and pop it on, or just sharpen the blade. That's quite easy. The price on it was great. I did get a 26% discount on it, ordering it online. The next thing is the size or the power, the wattage of the motor. For my size lawn, I have a 450 square meter lawn, which is quite large. So I couldn't go with a tiny one. It wouldn't really help, or I'm afraid it wouldn't last because of the heavy duty it would be mowing. I did want to go with a 1800 watt. They had no stock of that one, so I did go with a 1600 watt lawnmower. So that will be the one I'll be taking you guys through, having a look at it, unboxing it. The next thing is, I'm very skeptical about it all being plastic. The catch on it is very thin plastic. It has a 45 or 40 liter catch, which is quite large, but I'm afraid it wouldn't hold the load that well, so I'll make sure not to cut wet, which you're not supposed to do anyway, but cut dry, so it will be lighter. The next thing is the body, especially the body around the blade, is plastic as well. I don't know if you catch a rock and it shoots towards the body, it will maybe crack or damage or dent it. Hopefully not. Hopefully that won't be the case. That's about it. I'll take you guys through the unboxing and what I see afterwards.
plug, and then we can just plug it in and see how it works. I'm sure we have to do something here. It's just not to rip the cord, put it in here and hook it on the hook. Now it's tight. One thing I do want to mention is this catch bucket is real thin plastic. I hope it doesn't give troubles, but we'll see how it goes. So there is a safety switch over here. Press it in first and let's see what it does. It has 5 height settings. It doesn't have any measurements on it, but it's quite low and to quite high. I'll have to measure it specifically, the blade height to the ground, to see how much it is. But that I'll see on the first cut. The net weight of this lawnmower is 10.2 kgs. It's pretty light to store, even though I can pick it up. And then it's quite light to mow as well. It's a very light plastic, it moves very easily.